Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you've ever wondered how to calculate someone's age automatically in Power by using Power Query, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up an age calculation formula that updates all by itself, which is super useful when you're working with birthdays and need ages to stay accurate as time goes by. Let's jump right into it. First things first, open up Power BI. If you're following along, make sure you have a table with birth dates somewhere in your data. If you don't already have one, you can quickly make a sample table for practice. The idea is that each row should contain a person's date of birth because that's what we'll be calculating the age from. This is important because Power BI needs those individual dates in order to work its magic. So once you've got your table ready, we'll switch over to Power Query. That's the section of Power BI where you can add new columns and make custom calculations before your data even gets into your report. To do this, just right-click on your table and choose Edit Query or Transform Data depending on your Power BI version. Now let's add a new column for age. Head to the Add Column tab and choose to add a custom column. Here, what you want to type in date, year, date, time, local now, date, year, date of birth. What's happening here is actually pretty simple. Power BI is taking the current year, wherever you are in the world and whenever you're looking at the file, and subtracting the person's birth year. So if someone was born in 1990 and it's currently 2024, Power BI would calculate 2024-1990, which is 34. That gives a rough age, but there's a small detail we should cover. The person's birthday might not have happened yet this year. To get even more accurate, we can adjust the formula so that if the birthday hasn't come around yet in the current year, the age goes down by 1. Here, how you do that, you can add a condition that checks the current month and day. If today's date is before the birthday, we subtract an extra year. The formula might look a little complicated, but it really just asks, has the birthday happened yet this year? If not, it subtracts an extra one. In code, the extra part reads something like, if date local now date month date of birth, or date local now equals date month date of birth, and date day date time local now date day date of birth, then 1 else 0. So putting it all together, you're getting a really reliable calculation that matches exactly how we count age in real life. Once you've entered that formula, go ahead and give your new column a meaningful name like age. Naming your columns clearly will save you time and confusion later, especially as your reports and data grow over time. Now all that's left is to save our work. Head up to the Home tab and click Close and Apply. Power BI will process the changes you just made in Power Query and pull them back into your main workspace. This might take a few moments, especially if you're working with a lot of data, so don't worry if you see a loading bar. Finally, once everything loads, you'll see your new age column right there in your table. You can drag this into your report, use it in visuals, or filter and analyze by age, all without having to recalculate anything by hand. And that's it. You now have a dynamic, always up-to-date age calculation in Power BI. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, drop any questions you have down in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward Power BI tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.